Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to fix Google Maps GPS issues. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to fix Google Maps GPS issues, then you need to simply restart your device. First of all, try to restart your device, and if the issue still persists, then you can start by enabling high accuracy location services like toggling airplane mode and then trying to delete the cache or data of Google Maps for the current context. Now you need to clear the Google Maps app cache and ensure it has necessary location permissions. You can update the app, and then if the issue still persists, you can calibrate your compass by making a figure 8 motion. Now, these are some immediate fixes. If you're using an Android specific if you're searching for an Android specific fixes, then you can simply disable power saving or reset your network settings. So these are some steps. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.